Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane and today we'll go through GateChain. What exactly is GateChain? What is the GateChain token? We'll go through all of that today, not to mention Gate.io, Gateio Exchange. We'll also go through a price analysis and price prediction today. Token currently sitting at $7.08. Quite interesting. 78 million tokens in circulating supply and 300 million token in total supply. This token also has $500 million as the market cap, 553 million in market cap. This puts it at 127 coin in the world. That's its ranking. It's quite impressive. So we're going to go through this token and try to understand what it is. Now, GateChain sets out to solve the very interesting and complex problems that emerges alongside blockchains without compromising any decentralized aspects or advantages. The ecosystem comprises of the GateChain mainnet, GateChain DEX, GT, wallets, and more, forming an enterprise-grade decentralized ecosystem that can store, issue, and trade digital assets efficiently and securely. Now, the main features of GateChain's ecosystem can be listed as follows. Transfers, payments using a wallet or client-side apps. Users can send, receive GateToken GT, as well as popular on-chain assets. Assets assurance. Users can issue their own token to digitalize and manage their assets. There's also multi-signature. Multiple individuals can share ownership of an account and customizable its management, suitable for both enterprise and family demands. And additionally, they have asset safe storage with a uniquely designed vault account and a clearing mechanism. An account can be 100% secure with revoking clearing functions, countering abnormal transactions. Not to mention there's proof of stake consensus mechanism. GT works as a stable incentive for users participating in staking, ensuring the underlying health and stability of the ecosystem. Now, as for the blockchain itself, this is where it gets interesting. The GateChain is a novel next-generation public blockchain. It's focused on onboard asset safety and decentralized trading. Decentralized changing and cross-chain transfer will also be supported alongside other core features. Now, as for the token itself, that would be the GateToken, the GT. It's the native token or native currency of the GateChain's ecosystem, and it's used to pay for transactions fees on GateChain's network, and also serve as a proof of stake reward. And of course, it's essential to GateChain's function. They also have a wallet, which is really good. GateChain provides various wallet applications ranging from personal to professional use cases. During the testnet phase, GateChain provided digital wallets for Windows and Mac OS. Professional users could also access and test the API. Now, during the mainnet phase, GateChain will provide a wider variety to cater for every kind of necessity: command line interface wallet, mobile wallet, Android, iOS, web wallet, multi-signature wallet, and hardware wallet. Now, obviously, most of this does sound quite good, but how about the exchange? The Gate.io is the latest cryptocurrency exchange built in China, gaining a foothold in 2017 and taking its spot as an unlicensed platform that can be accused of being part of the Gate technology, incorporated by some but not officially confirmed yet, with more than 367 markets offering, including major ones like USDT, BTC, and ETH. Now, in general, the exchange provides almost all the popular crypto-related services in mobiles markets, such as trading, liquidity mining, or ETF. GateToken is a utility token that belongs solely to the Gateio Exchange platform for use in daily trade operations on their site or any other partner site. They may form partnerships down the line. Now, it's relatively popular cryptocurrency exchange that currently sits at 10. Now, as for the blockchain itself, the GateChain blockchain, it's designed to handle abnormal transaction and prevent the theft of assets. With GateChain, the user's vault accounts can be used as an emergency clearing mechanism, as I've said previously. But some additional things that you might want to know: obviously, we know it's a utility token. But even more interesting in that it's an ERC20 token, which means that it's built upon the Ethereum blockchain. Token ticker symbol is GT, known for the Gate token, so that's quite interesting. And there are some really good use cases as well. Trade and fee discounts, hold and earn, list and votes, buyback programs, and obviously gas. Gate token will also be used as gas to power the Gate chain. So that's really good and really fascinating within itself. Now, finally, we'll be able to go through a token analysis, a price analysis, and price prediction. Now, the thing is that we've had a huge ceiling with this token. $7.14 were the ceiling, and as for the floor, was just under $7, $6.97 for the floor. Now, within the last few hours, it has been consolidating, and this is all within the last 24 hours. But within the last 7 days, you see that it's been on a bit of a roller coaster. But ultimately, I don't think this is necessarily a bad thing, because towards the start of January this year, when majority of crypto was doing terribly, which most cryptos are still doing, it actually recovered, and it recovered quite nicely, which is exactly what we want. Trading periods are back above 5 million, which is really good to see, and it's quite consistent. Sometimes it's been above 6 million. It's quite good to see. And if you look even further down the line for this token, you'll notice that there's been some really interesting patterns. Some of the time it's been as low as $5.26, which is really extraordinary. There's other times when it's been as high as over $8. But perhaps the highest it's ever been was just above $11.31. And this is when the trading volume was above 238 million in a given 24 hours trading period. That's fascinating because that's a giant compared to where it is right now, hovering around 5-6 million in a given 24 hours trading period. That was a giant in comparison. The price was huge, trading volumes were huge, so obviously there must have been some big announcement within the ecosystem. But obviously this was also just around the middle of May, and this is just before the crypto market kind of crashed last year around June and July. It was quite interesting to watch, but what's really surprising is that at certain points this token was as low as $2.58. 1 year ago exactly, this token was only 48 cents per coin compared to where it is right now. Keep in mind that the circulating supply is incredibly low, 78 million. The total supply, on the other hand, 300, is a little bit higher. And obviously the more supply that gets added to the circulating supply, the more the crypto will essentially be diluted, is more the price will fall because there's more cryptos being added to the market. There's less need. Essentially, there's less demand. Less demand is a lower price. Higher demand is a higher price. Now, it's available on a few different exchanges. Obviously, most notably, its own exchange, Gate.io. Quite fascinating to see, actually. Hubu Global, Bitfinex, FTX, and there's a few more as well. But the question is, where can this crypto go? It's been above $11, but can it go to $25, to $50? That's a big question. But I think $25 is definitely within the question for this crypto. It is its own block. Now, it's not just that they have their own. Now, it's not just about having your own exchange for this crypto to be popular or to be successful, but it does come with the territory. I mean, just take a look at Binance Smart Chain. Take a look at the Binance Coin. How much people underestimated the Binance Coin, just how well it's doing right now. Binance Coin is actually fourth in the world with a market cap of 76.9 billion. And it's getting quite close to Theta, so it could overtake Theta at any moment. I think it's been above Theta before, so it doesn't really surprise me. Trading volume is just around 1.7 billion. That's quite small compared to Ethereum, 13.3 billion, and Ethereum is quite small compared to Bitcoin, 23.2 billion. But you know, the really fascinating thing is the market cap. Bitcoin market cap has actually gone down relatively low. I remember when Bitcoin market cap was just around 1 billion. Now Bitcoin market cap is 792, while Ethereum 371. So there's a huge correction going on in the market right now. That's why a lot of crypto is actually going down in value. That's why a lot of cryptos is actually in the red, which is really interesting to observe. It's really interesting to learn from. But ultimately, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you've learned something new. If I missed anything, leave a comment so we can go for it. and let's have a discussion. Thank you for watching until the end. I really appreciate that. Subscribe to see more, and I will see you in my next video.